What's cooking YouTube? Chef Salty here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a traditional French omelet on the healthier side along with a nice fresh pico de gallo so that you guys can be able to look great, feel great, and most importantly, play great. So we got the pico de gallo done. That's going to be in the fridge right now, chilling until it's ready to be served on top of our French omelet. The French omelet is 90% of the egg, 10% of the filling. It's going to have that nice color, no browning whatsoever, with a nice shine on top. The Western omelet, compared to the French omelet, is the Western omelet is full in half with the filling inside and has more of that golden crust and cooks a little bit longer. When I'm going to be making the French omelet, it's a lot of vigorous stirring so that you have that nice, clean outside look. Alright, so we're on to the French omelet. Make sure that you have a very nice non-stick pan. So we're going to take 2 eggs along with a 1/4 cup of egg whites to get that nice actual healthiness from the omelet. Typically, French omelets are going to have butter, but we're actually going to be using grapeseed oil because it will also have a nice smoke point, so it's not going to prevent it from burning. So, make sure we crack our eggs. We're going to go ahead and add the egg whites in here. I have the pan already heating up, so we're going to actually do low heat. With non-stick pans like this, you actually want to have nice low heat on it because anything higher is actually going to make it stick. So that's why we're going to have a nice low heat along with the omelet burning as well. We're not going to want the omelet to actually go any color on it. So we're just going to whisk the eggs. We want to incorporate a lot of air so it's actually nice and fluffy. This is what's going to allow your omelet to be nice and fluffy. Pan's nice and heated, so now we're going to add our grapeseed oil. Now, key part with the French omelet, do not stop stirring until we get to the final part. So keep stirring vigorously. You can shake the pan as well. It's very important to do this. So you have that nice evenness, even cooking all around. We're going to keep stirring until you almost have scrambled eggs, and the eggs are coagulating at the moment as well. So you can see it's almost scrambled eggs at the moment. We're going to shake it one more time. We're going to tap the pan just so it sets and just let it cook. This is when I'm going to add my seasoning to it. I have a nice special blend that has a lot less sodium in it. So we're going to sprinkle that around inside so it's nicely seasoned. Make sure when you're shaking it that it's releasing, the pan is not sticking, the eggs are not sticking on the pan. As long as you see a shininess, that's what you're looking for. Alright, we can take our plate, and this is why it's called the rolled omelet, because you're going to roll it out of the pan. Okay, omelet's done. Let's go ahead with the avocado. We didn't cut the avocado right away because I did not want it to brown. Twist, opens up. Nice fresh avocado. And since I want nice slices for this, I'm actually just going to peel the actual skin right off. We have our pico de gallo ready. It's been sitting in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Absorbs all that nice lime juice in there. The flavors are awesome. And there you have it, YouTube. A nice classic French omelet on the healthy side, along with fresh pico de gallo and avocado garnish. If you like these videos, make sure you go ahead and press that like button, along with subscribe. I'm Chef Salty, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.